Alright, we're recording. Can you see the snow? See it coming in the truck? The lighting's bad. Point out there, Luke. Put it out there and let it settle the snow. Snowing like a son of a bitch. Alright, that's good. My phone's getting all snowy. Hey, what's up?